Hello everybody. Every once in a while I just wanted to shoot a fast video. I have to, when working on these cars, I had to repair wire pigtails, little harnesses. I had to do one a while ago. I've already done it. I'll show you the way I do it. I really don't like those crimp connectors too good. But what I do is, this is small wire. I'm guessing it's about a 14 gauge maybe. But anyway, it's small wire. And I always trim back, what is that, a quarter of an inch or a little bit more on each wire. And I twist them together and then I solder them. The way I solder them is I've just got a little soldering gun right here. And the trick for me, is get your soldering gun good and hot. Let that baby get hot for about 5 minutes. Then these two wires that are twisted together, put the soldering gun on there. I've already soldered it, but I was just going to show you. And let it sit there for a minute or two, whatever type soldering gun you have. This isn't a real strong one, so I'll let it sit there for, a minute or two. And then that's where you want to start putting your solder in there. And let the solder, don't let the gun put the solder on. Let the wire be hot enough where that solder just flows onto both wires. And you'll have, that's the way I like to do them. That connection will never, ever get loose. And I'm going to seal it up with some, I've got some of that shrink tape I'll put over there and completely seal it up from any moisture. Or you can use electrical wire, whichever you want to do. Okay, maybe that'll help somebody out. Thanks.